Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today a really easy recipe, and it's one of my favourites that I'll go to takeaway and get, and that is my Chinese style crab and mushroom omelette. Really simple to do. Alright, here I've got around about 4 eggs. Some of those were double yolkers, so ignore the amount of yolks. So about 4 eggs, a little bit of dried parsley, and a little bit of salt, of course, and a little bit of pepper. Alright, a little bit of white pepper that goes in. Use as much or little as you like. I'll go pretty heavy on my seasonings on that one. Right, beat those up, just like I'm doing right there. That's all we have to do. Very, very simple. And we're going to let that sit for around about 10 minutes or so, and so the chives can actually rehydrate. Right, here I've got some crab claw meat. Right, you can buy that from your fishmonger. You can even buy it jarred, or you can cheat and do what I did and actually use a seafood stick and cut it up nice and fine. And the seafood sticks do work out really economical. Nothing wrong with that. Here I've got some chicken stock. Okay, and I've added in around about 1.5 teaspoons worth of cornstarch. That's going to be our gravy. So I'm going to cook the gravy off first, and that way I don't have to worry about the omelette cooling down too much. So let's put that into a saucepan, or you can put that into a wok, just like I'm doing right there. And all we have to do is just get a bit of heat on that and keep stirring it around until it starts to thicken up. Okay, a little bit of agave syrup just to sweeten it up just that little bit and get contrast the little bit of saltiness from the chicken stock. So just keep stirring that around. You'll see it change colour and it will start to thicken up. We don't want it to go too thick. Right, that's looking pretty good to me. I'm just going to take that off the heat, put that aside until I am ready to use it. A little bit of butter in a pan. You could use a bit of oil if you want to. I just put a little bit of butter down, just a little coating, nice and light like that. And all I'm simply going to do now is throw in my egg and herb mixture. Right, just on a nice medium type heat. I'm not going to cook this one off too quick, because I want to be able to get it to a stage where I can flip it nicely. Alright, so I'm just going to place my mushrooms down, sort of down the center, okay, and over to one side. So I'm going to put half the omelette with mushrooms. Not real hard to do, okay, and you don't have to have the mushrooms, of course. You can just put whatever you like in there, but the mushroom and the crab meat does work out really, really nice. Okay, so all we have to do is just keep putting those down. And if you haven't made a Chinese style omelette before, you don't know what you're missing. The flavour is just so simple, but so yummy. Now that crab meat, of course, I did put a little bit of soy on there just to give it a little bit of extra flavour. Here I've got some bean sprouts. I'm going to put those in as well, and all I have to do now is put my crab meat down just like that. Alright, nice and easy. And believe it or not, that imitation crab meat, look, it's not the real thing, but you can buy a kilo of that for about $7. As you can buy the crab meat, little tiny can, for about 12. Alright, so we're just going to wait until that starts to set on top. Just set. I'm looking pretty happy with that. Flip that over, and if there's any little bits of egg that haven't cooked and have escaped, just put that straight over on the other side. Alright, so we're going to cook those off for around about another 2 minutes, and as I said, we're only using about 30% heat on this. Now I'm going to give this a quick flip just to make sure everything is cooked. Right, really nice and easy, and we're pretty much getting ready to serve. And you can serve this as one big one like I'm doing here, or you can actually serve it, make little ones. Spoon over the Chinese style gravy, our chicken stock gravy, straight over the top, just like that. And this is exactly the way that I get it from my local Chinese takeaway when I get it. So spoon that over as much or little as you want. Put some spring onion over the top, and look, even if you want a little bit of sliced red chili, just to give it a little bit more colour and a little bit of a fiery kick. Right, love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make a real nice, simple Asian takeaway meal just like this one, and all the other ones that I do, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my Chinese style crab and mushroom omelette, and I will catch you next time. Bye.